All right, guys, you seen the title and the thumbnail, and you already know we on them wings and we on them jalapenos. I'm gonna show you guys how to make honey lemon pepper wings and them jalapeno poppers. Man, them babies cheesy. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, so y'all know that the Wing King is always on the hunt for that next gadget to help us take our wing game to that next level. And right here sitting on my counter is a product that's gonna help us get there. And that's our Midea Flexify French door air fry oven combo. Guys, it's a game changer. But before I get into all the functions and features of this particular product and why I love it so much, we're gonna go over our ingredients and we're gonna talk more about this product later in the video. All right, guys, let's quickly go over some of the ingredients that we have, but you can find the full ingredient list on ijustcookalot.com or allwingseverything.com. Take a look across the screen. That's the website address. You'll find the full ingredients list there. Of course, we got our chicken. We got some jalapenos here, some cheese, cream cheese, some bacon. We have our seasonings here. Of course, we got lemon pepper. We got some honey and we got some maple syrup, chopped garlic and butter. Yes, we have a lot on the cutting board today because we're doing two recipes, that honey lemon pepper and those jalapeno poppers. So let's get to it. All right, guys, first thing we're gonna do is prepare our chicken. We're gonna start by adding our olive oil here, our lemon pepper seasoning, our garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, black pepper, and seasoned salt, and our cornstarch. And we're just gonna go in with our hands, get that mixed up. And guys, what the cornstarch is gonna do is gonna help pull the moisture out of these wings, which allows them to crisp up like we want it. All right, that looks good. We'll move this aside. All right, so now we're gonna prepare our jalapeno popper filling. So we're gonna take an empty bowl. We're gonna add our cream cheese. Make sure your cream cheese is softened too. Our onion powder, seasoned salt, black pepper, and paprika. Our green onions, our bacon, and our cheese. We're gonna go ahead and get this mixed up and combine really, really well. All right, that's what we have. Let's continue. So now we're gonna start stuffing our jalapenos with our filling. So I'm just gonna take a little bit right here, and I'm going to put it inside this jalapeno, just like this. And guys, I know you're gonna have the urge to overstuff this baby, but don't do it. Level it out on the sides, just like this. And we're gonna sit this right here on our baking sheet. I did line mine with parchment paper. So if you have parchment paper, go ahead and do the same. So let's do one more, just so you guys see what we're doing. And that's what we have. I'm gonna lay this baby right here. All right, I'm gonna finish the rest of them. And once we get done, we're gonna come back. All right, so we filled all our jalapenos with the cream cheese filling. Now we're gonna move this aside. We're gonna bring over our cooking basket for our wings. I'm gonna hit it with a little cooking spray. And we're gonna start adding our wings here to our basket. All right, so now let's head over to our air fryer so we can begin cooking. So before we get started, let's talk a little bit more about the Midea Flexify French door air fryer combo and why I personally like this particular air fryer. And not only because it's just pretty, but also because it has these double French doors, unlike the traditional air fryer. And it also has this big lid display that can make any kitchen look like a 5-star restaurant. This air fryer is powerful. It has a cyclone air frying technology that cooks up to 25% faster and uses up to 90% less oil than your old school air fryers. And because of this, it heats up quick, so there's no waiting around to preheat when you're using the air fryer function. And personally, I like the versatility of this product. It has 10 different cooking functions that let you air fry, toast, bake, broil, roast, pizza, reheat, warm, slow cook, or even dehydrate. So anything you're craving, this bad boy can do it. It has a 26.4 quart capacity that's big enough to fit a full 12-inch pizza. Take a look at that space. It even comes with everything you need, like a crumb tray here, your air fryer basket, your bacon rack, and your bacon tray. So you're ready to cook right out of the box. So check out all the recipes that I've already made with this particular product here. So if you want to elevate your kitchen game, check out the Midea Flexify French door air fryer combo. I'm gonna drop the link in the video description below. So guys, let's get back to these wings because this machine is waiting to show off. We're gonna add our wings here to the bottom like that. We're gonna come across, add our jalapeno poppers up here. Guys, look at that. You're able to prepare 2 recipes at one time. Matter of fact, how many air fryers do you know that can do that and looks this sleek with these French doors? All right, guys, we're gonna get this baby, we're gonna turn it on. And as you can see right here, it comes on already set to the air fryer feature. We're gonna set this baby to 400 degrees. We're gonna put this baby on 22 minutes. We're gonna hit start and we're good to go. We're starting to cook, baby. We starting to cook. All right, so we're gonna pause it because we're halfway through the cooking process, and we're gonna remove our jalapeno poppers because those babies are done. Look at that. These babies are ready. We're gonna set these aside. I'm gonna put them in my oven, let them stay warm. We're gonna shift our chicken down here. We're gonna flip these babies over. Gonna stick these babies back in here for the remaining of the time. We'll hit start, and we're gonna continue. All right, guys, so it looks like we are good. Man, take a look at what we got. Them babies crispy. Y'all already know, them babies crispy. So now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna leave them here in our air fryer. We're gonna head over to our stove to prepare our honey lemon pepper sauce, and we're gonna come back, all right? We're gonna drop our butter in here. We're gonna let it start to melt. As that butter melts, we're gonna add our maple syrup, our honey, our lemon juice, our minced garlic, lemon zest, and our lemon pepper seasoning. And we're just gonna get this mixed up. As that butter melts, make sure you put this over a low simmer. You don't wanna burn your honey. And we're gonna let this simmer for about 3 minutes. All right, guys, it looks like we are good, man. Take a look at that sauce. All right, so we're gonna turn our heat off. Let's move over to our cutting board where our wings are. Get these babies sauced up so we can go ahead and finish out this recipe. All right, so now we're gonna take our sauce. We're gonna pour it over our wings like this. Man, guys, this looks absolutely beautiful. We're gonna do a little shaky bakey. Y'all know how we do it. All right, let's get these babies plated up so we can jump into quality control. And guys, there you have it. Honey, lemon pepper wings, and jalapeno poppers. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control, cause man, that plate looked like some goodness. Matter of fact, it looked like heaven. All right, let's go. All right, guys, y'all been waiting on this just as long as I've been waiting on it, quality control. Let's bring these groceries to the front of the congregation. Man, take a look at that right there, those lemon peppers and those jalapeno poppers. Man, whoo. You know we're gonna start out with them jalapenos first, you know what I'm saying? Oh man, that baby jalapeno. I definitely like the heat of that baby right there. That one is delicious. All right, now we gotta go over here to these lemon peppers. All right. Oh man, one bite, and you know you're in lemon pepper heaven. Oh man. Wow, listen, the heat from the jalapenos, it balances out with the sweetness and the tanginess of these lemon peppers. Man, a perfect combo. And you know how we did it? With the Midea Flexify French door air fryer combo. Guys, this right here is a game changer. I'm telling you. You saw what we did right here. We cooked both of these simultaneously because it has that capacity to do so. And number two, you don't even have to preheat this thing. You could just go straight to cooking. And number three, guess what? It has 10 different functions or settings that you can cook your food. So guys, I'm gonna leave a link to this air fryer in the video description below. I want you guys to go check it out, because guess what? It's holiday season approaching, and I know you know somebody that needs an air fryer. Matter of fact, you need an air fryer. So click that link below, get your air fryer, and until then, guys, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything, and remember, him not a chef, him just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.